Coming up, we speak with Devin Kress, Director of Sales with Marshall Electronics.
You're watching YBL TV.
I understand that you guys just released a new full broadcast HD mini POV camera and the USB 3.0 converters. Can you tell us a little bit about the cameras?
We're very excited about these new POV cameras that we have. We started with this model, which is our CV550. This is a broadcast-centric camera. This is very small, you can see by the size of my hand, but it's going to give you some very professional features. The first thing you'll notice is on the back you're going to have a professional HDSDI output as well as a composite output. These cameras will do full 1080p video, however, there's an on-screen GUI that allows you to adjust many feature sets. The resolutions, the white balance, the color on this are all adjustable through an on-screen GUI. If I push the button in the back here, you'll be able to see this full on-screen menu control that we do have on this unit. Another nice feature of these POV cameras that we have are interchangeable lenses. So on the front you'll see that we have either M12 or we also have CS mount versions of this. We do these lenses so they're quick change. You simply unscrew them. They can be from 2mm all the way up to 50mm. What's nice is also a price point on products like this. This camera comes with a 3.7mm lens and has a list cost of $500. The lenses have a list cost of $30. So for the unique applications that are out there in the marketplace that require POV cameras, this is a perfect solution. We see these being used by F1 racing. The NBA is dunk cams. We have the NHL. We have the golf channel that utilizes these in golf tournaments. A neat application that just came up with is with a brand new unit that we just came out with. This is our CV200. So a lot of people asked us, we love that camera, but we need to be able to use this in an outdoor environment. Do you have any kind of enclosures that we could put around that camera? Marshall came up with this lipstick version here. You can unscrew this, it still has the M12 mount lens on it. However, this is IP67 rated. This can go into an outdoor environment with rain, sleet.
What are some practical applications for the USB 3.0 converters?
A lot of practical applications. I'm going to be able to take an HDSDI or HDMI signal. I'm going to be able to convert that, and it can be a full 1080p signal, and ingest that into a computer. The computer really has the software on it that's going to be able to move this around. The applications, the ones that people might know in the marketplace, are going to be moving video into Skype. So with those cameras that I showed you earlier, we had quite a few people that said, these are fantastic quality cameras. I'd love to use this into my Skype system. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe four of these cameras. So the applications that we see are largely moving it into the soft codecs that are available in the marketplace, which includes Skype, Microsoft Link, it could be the Blue Jeans network. These products are all certified for that. USB 2.0 had about a 0.5 gig channel. Anybody that's used that or seen video on the internet can imagine choppiness as you go through. The bandwidth isn't there to handle it. Well, it wasn't the computer's bandwidth, it was the bandwidth of USB 2.0. 3G 1080p signals require about 3 gig to transport the signal. These new 3.0 converters have a 5 gig channel. So not to get too technical, but we went from 0.5 gig all the way up to 5 gig. That means over 10 times the bandwidth. So you get a very smooth transition in the video. I can ingest full 1080p 60 video, whether it's HDMI or HDSDI, and professionally move any of my cameras into a soft codec on the marketplace. The price point on these products is fabulous as well. We're one of the first to market with the USB 3.0. You're looking at a cost of around $499 for this product, whether it's HDSDI that you see behind me or it's the HDMI version.